Yo. Welcome back to another edition of Jay's Strategies with the markets and the market makers. Let's go ahead and hop into the overall cryptocurrency prices by market cap, overall market cap totals, and much more. Don't forget to hop on over to Jay's Strategies over on Twitter. We post all kinds of different news all day, every day about all of the large cap tokens and all different Binance Smart Chain projects and much more. Let's hop into the Bitcoin price. As you can see here, I was showing the other day this little wedge pattern that we are in here rising, and I put the 38.9 because that was an important level for me to talk about. So I want to see it rise above this 38.9. So ideally in the coming weeks I want to see it come above, retest, and continuation to the upside, and then that is where I would go long. Right now Bitcoin's coming in at 37,888. You can see we created this little tiny on the 1 hour, a little bit of a bull flag. As you can see, you know, it's creating some pressure, hopefully into a breakout into the upside. You can see the top of the Bollinger Band right there is at, let's see, yeah, 38,300. So I want to see like a 38,300, a pull back into the ribbons, retest, and continue to this area, 38.9, break above, retest it, and continuation to the upside would be a nice bullish leak. You can see that gold has continued to come down, and this is because of people got into it thinking it was a safe haven when all the yields and stuff was happening with the United States bonds, and you can see that reflected in the markets. The dollar index, okay, has been very strong, and as you guys know, that this right here is not good for crypto. When the dollar index is very strong, people are buying more bonds and more stuff with the United States dollars. So what I can expect us to see is all this, okay, that we had this, after we twisted the EMAs, flipped them, and then rode above, the dollar's been very strong in this area. So we are going to see a little bit of a pullback into these EMA ribbons, and then that should flow some more strength back into the crypto market. Okay, let's hop back to Bitcoin. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button, and all day, every day we rock out with you guys. You can find me in all different Telegram groups, chats, and much more. Drop a comment below, guys, and also make suggestions in the chat. Okay, so on the daily with the Bitcoin, you can see that this is an important level for me right here, which is at the 38,900. Really the 39K level we want to see, because we want to test the bottom of these EMA ribbons and come into it. And 44K would be the ultimate bullish mark, okay, for me to see that retest and then continuation to the upside. So if this week we can pull above this 38K range and get back into the 40K, that's what we need to hold as a major level. Let's hop into ETH real quick. Ethereum on the daily, you can see that we are down here in this little bit of a cluster, successful liquidity grab right here, and then now they are moving up. And then if you can see here, same concept, probably just a little bit of a rising wedge coming down here depending on what patterns you see. You see the volume has been actually a little bit lower than these coming times. And actually it's a weekend, so you know we can determine that. Let's just hop over to a shorter time frame on Ethereum, and let's see what we have on the 1 hour. Very bullish at the moment. Looks like it retested and it bounced off of the EMA. See that? So that would have been a good opportunity when it did bounce off that. If you're ever looking for positions, you bounce off this, come to the top of the Bollinger right here at 26, very nice, and then pull back to the EMA ribbons, possibly coming back up here to this level of 27.25. Okay, so they can come back and recover that, and then everybody that was going long, they will end up doing probably a stop hunt rise, cutting it off, pulling back to the daily EMAs and taking off from there. So I do see some bullish sentiment in there. Binance coin, yes, BNB project strong. Binance tapping at the 400. So 400 is an important level right here. A lot of action, a lot of stuff happening. there. You can see what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to measure some of this volume profile from down here to today, and then you can see the point of control, right? You can see where we're at in that regard. So really down here was the strongest time. So I want to see gaining much more volume up in this area and holding the $400 range for this week. That would be an excellent play for us, okay? Cardano, above $1. Again, we talked about Cardano when it was going below $1, and we said that it could be a good buying opportunity with the successful liquidity grab right here. Okay, so that's when I did see an opportunity here, and then I saw them come up here, lower, and then higher, low. You know what I mean? So I see a nice little trend here, though we are at the top of the Bollinger Band, which is at 107, and we have this wick up here at 115. So for bullish, we could expect them to take back this wick here with the candle. Solana. Let's hop into Solana. Solana looking nice. Look at that. Okay, so it popped up, creating a little bit of a bull flag actually on the 1 hour. And we're at the top of the Bollinger, and a target for Solana would be 104, would be a Monday bullish target. XRP, 61 cents. XRP, same thing, on top of the EMA, riding above. You can see how it's bouncing off there. I want to see this week pricing target come up. 66 cents would be a target for me. Don't forget to smash the like button, guys. Follow us on Twitter, and we'll put much more content out for you guys. Drop in the comments below what you would like to see. Drop over to Twitter and follow all of our posts. Hit retweets. I'll be looking. I'll be running contests. So if you did watch this video all the way through, type the word me into the chat, and that will have your proof, and you never know, get a prize DM. Okay, guys, don't forget to smash the like button, and let's hop back into the price. Dogecoin, 14.2. You can see that we're on top of the EMA ribbon here. This is on the 1 hour. I'm going to show you the daily for Doge. Okay. So you can see that we did come down here. You know, that would be like a successful grab, you know. But yeah, that was at 11 cents. That's when I decided to go long. I'm holding on to Doge, and I want to see it come back into this area, retest the 18 cents, and then move to the upside. Let's get some bullish news to the moon. Now, Matic. Recently, I started getting into Matic much heavier, okay? And this is because pretty soon, years from now, you're not going to even know what you're using as far as layer 1, layer 2, you know? So all these different things will be. Okay, so you can see Matic right there. We're at this point of control. That's when I was like, okay, great. I am bullish here at this moment, and this is a perfect time to buy in more Matic. This is my own opinion, and this is what I will be doing. I will be getting more Matic. Shiba Inu. Okay, we talked about Shiba Inu, and we do actually Doge Shiba things. If you guys want to see more Doge Shiba direct videos, like just with them, go ahead and drop that in the comment and let me know what you would like to see. Okay, so you can see that Shiba, you know, we can shoot for the ranges. Let me just see something here. Where point of control? Okay, so yeah, we're well below a point of control, which is for that. So it's like a lot of people brought in at that time. Avalanche. Nice little target here for a bullish time for this week, but you can see that, okay, we're riding below. So this is something. We're at the bottom of the Bollinger Band, not the top, underneath below. This is on the 4 hours, so for me that would be a buy-in opportunity. Phantom, very nice on Phantom actually. I've held Phantom for the past few months, and it's been really cool. Wow, now would you look at that? So Phantom on the daily below the ribbons, near the bottom of the Bollinger, on the 4 hour, mid Bollinger, bottom EMA ribbons. You know, this is isn't it something right there? That's something. Yeah, look at that little area. So a lot of volume right there in that area. So yeah, man, it's pretty damn cool. Let's go ahead and you talk about the SPY for a second. The SPY closed bullish, so let's see what's going to happen on Monday. See if it can make it above that, and then it would be bullish for the crypto up and coming. Back to Bitcoin. Let's finish off with Bitcoin. Guys, Look at that volume that has been coming in the past few days after Bitcoin dropped. That's some really, really awesome volume. And it just, there's a lot of fundamentals out, and there's a lot of good stuff out for Bitcoin. Look at that. And then right above that point, that's when I was saying, okay, right here at 36.3, boom, I was getting more Bitcoin. It was very busy in this area at the bottom of the EMA. So let's see if we can hold the top of the EMA ribbon on the 4 hour and push it above and break above the 38,900. Okay, guys. Don't forget to stop back by and rock out with Jay's Strategies. We will see you again next time. Yo, yo, yo. Remember, Jay's Strategies to the moon.